How to fix MI File Manager WhatsApp status not showing problem. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make a long press on File Manager application and then tap on App Info. This will lead us to a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and clear the cache. If possible, you can tap on clear all data and delete all data. And as you do that, you can just go back and launch the file manager. Here, all you need to do is tap on your file and all you need to do is tap on Android. Here, select on media, and as you tap on media, tap on WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp again, and as you do that, tap on the three dotted lines over here at the top right, and then tap on the option of show the hidden files. Tap on media, and then here tap on the three dotted lines and tap on show hidden files. So as you tap on hidden files, you'll be able to see the option of statuses. So just tap on it and here just tap on delete. So now you can just go and see if your issue has been fixed. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.